Why does it take China 12 years to dig a tunnel that is only 14 kilometers long? What is the significance of it? In recent decades, China has been developing more and more powerful. In order to improve the domestic economic development, they are constantly building bridges, roads, railways, and so on. Their infrastructure technology has created one miracle project after another in the world, and has been recognized by the world. Thank you for watching our videos. If you want to know more about what's happening in the world, don't hesitate to click to subscribe to our channel. I believe my videos won't let you down. Although China is known internationally as an infrastructure monster, there are also some infrastructure projects that China is in trouble with, such as the Zhoushan Tunnel. It took 12 years and 280 billion yuan to complete the construction of a 14 kilometers tunnel, and even engineers around the world are impressed by them. So, what exactly is this project? Why China insists on spending so much money and manpower to build it? In 2007, China announced plans to build a railway in Yunnan, named Big Railway. At that time, many Western engineers, after seeing related information of this project, is concluded that this is the world's most difficult to build the railway. It is impossible to finish the project in China. The reason is that the geological condition is so bad here. To do is to pay a heavy price. But while many countries say it is impossible, China believes it can, because once completed, the railway will improve the lives of millions of villagers here. More importantly, Yunnan borders Myanmar in the west and is close to Laos and Vietnam in the south. If the railway is completed, it will also promote exchanges and cooperation between China and Southeast Asian and South Asian countries. With a length of 330 kilometers and a design speed of 140 kilometers per hour, the Darui Railway would not have attracted much attention. However, to the surprise of the Chinese engineering team, in the construction of the railway, the birth of a hell level of difficulty is Zhoushan Tunnel. The tunnel was the most dangerous, the most difficult, the longest and most expensive section of railway tunnel to build. The 14,484-meter-long tunnel was originally planned to be completed in 5 years and later in 8 years, but workers have yet to complete it. Reason is that the geological environment here is too bad. This tunnel is located in the western Yunnan Plateau edge. There are mountains, steep slope and cliffs, the terrain ups and downs, and of rivers and caves, and at the same time, the tunnel through the strata of 1.27 kilometers, containing gas, the occurrence of these situations, so that a large number of Western experts believe that this is the world's most difficult excavating tunnel. There is no way China can build this tunnel. In addition to these geological problems, groundwater resources here are also very rich. Workers in the process of excavation, surrounding rock will continue to flow out of groundwater. Workers in the construction every 5 meters will encounter debris flow and a large amount of water broke out of the earth. Since construction began, the tunnel has pumped a staggering 200 million cubic meters of water, enough to fill more than 15 West Lakes, forcing China to build 7 nearby white farms to pump out the water. The Big Pillar Tunnel faces the kind of problems that engineers don't want to face when building a tunnel, but the Big Pillar Tunnel has all of them. Therefore, it is also a very dangerous project. In 2009, when the workers in the construction, the impact of debris flow, within a few hours to fill more than 400 meters long tunnel. In the face of this incident, the workers can only stop when the sudden water and mud buried have been excavated tunnel, even washed away by the construction equipment at that time. The workers can only choose to retreat, such as debris flow stops, then clean up and reconstruct. In addition, the tunnel and other different high ground temperature is very hot. The highest temperature reached more than 40 degrees Celsius. The workers in high temperature with humidity heavier environment construction, it is like working in a sauna. In case of special location, they in the construction also need to wear a helmet, wear thick body armor. This is a great challenge to human body. He could collapse from heat stroke at any time. But the Chinese workers didn't give up. They bought 12 tons of ice a day to transport inside the tunnel, and the construction workers changed shifts every 3 hours to keep the temperature down and avoid heat stroke. The tunnel was supposed to be completed in 2014, but it took 12 years to complete in 2020. After the tunnel is open to traffic, 14.5 kilometers trains will come and only need 7 minutes to pass through. Its completion will also end the history of no trains in western Yunnan ethnic minority areas. which is of great significance to the economic development of local rural areas. In addition, it can also promote the exchanges and cooperation between China and Southeast Asian and South Asian countries. It can be said that this is a miracle railway. With the implementation of the Belt and Road Initiative, it will reshape the glory of the ancient Silk Road in southern China, which has important and far-reaching significance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to click and subscribe to our channel with your lovely finger. Let us know more important things happening in China together. See you in the next issue.